Well, I said I thought the birds were coming back with this crazy weather we're having, and sure enough, there's a whole herd of robins up in that tree. There they go. There's a bluebird right up above me, but the sun's right there. That's pretty neat. Whole flock of robins right there. That's a sign of spring for sure in Michigan. That's our state bird. This is Michigan in February. It's supposed to be 20 degrees, but instead it's probably near 50 and muddy. That's some crazy weather we're having. I saw those robins back there, a whole flock of them coming in. I think I usually start seeing them around the middle or end of February though, but still it's only the first week of February. We should be, you know, a foot deep in snow and 10 to 20, 30 degrees in the daytime. And for the past week or more, it's been up in the 40s, 50s in the daytime and only getting down to about 29 at night. I'm hearing a lot of birds that I haven't heard all winter long, so I think a lot of them are coming back. I don't know a lot about birds, but you know, you can tell just by the sounds that you hear. You're starting to hear unfamiliar sounds again, so you know that spring is on its way. And you start smelling unfamiliar smells. That's another sign that it's coming. But really, I don't think winter ever really came here this year. Old loading dock out in the middle of nowhere.